If you're getting the 0xc00007b application error while opening a game or software, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 working methods that have helped many users fix this issue. Start with method 1, and if the error is still there, simply move to the next method. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. Now type the following command, SFC/scannow, press Enter, and wait for the scan to finish. This tool scans your Windows system files for corruption or missing files. If it finds any damaged files, Windows will automatically repair them. Since the 0xc00007b error is often caused by corrupted system files, this can fix the problem without installing anything. Once the scan is complete, restart your PC and try opening the application again. If your error is gone, that's great. If you're still getting the same error, let's move on to second method. In the video description, you'll find a link to my DirectX download page. Open the page and scroll down until you see the download section. You'll find 2 versions, online installer, offline installer. You can download either one, but if you have a stable internet connection, I recommend using the online installer, since it downloads the latest DirectX components directly from Microsoft. Download the installer just like I'm doing. Once it's downloaded, open it and follow the installation steps exactly as shown on the screen. After the installation is complete, restart your PC. Now try launching the application again. In most cases, the error should now be fixed. But if you're still facing the same problem, let's try the final method. Again, check the video description for another link. Open the page and scroll down until you find the download button. Download the Visual C++ Redistributable runtimes all in one package. After downloading, extract the zip file. Inside the folder, right-click Install _all.bat and select Run as administrator. The installer will automatically install all the required Visual C++ redistributables one by one. I've already installed them on my PC, so I'll cancel the process. If you haven't installed them before, let the installation finish completely. When everything is installed, restart your computer one final time. Your 0xc00007b error should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows fixes, gaming solutions, and PC optimization tutorials. If you're still facing the error, leave a comment with the name of the game or software that's causing it, and I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.